Hey guys, it's Kristin. So I'm doing a really quick last minute Christmas video. I'm making mistletoe that only cost me $3. Sometimes it's like $8 to $10 just for like a tiny little mistletoe at Target or Walmart. So this is just a really quick and fast way that you can do it, also very cheap. So let me just show you guys exactly what you need and then how to make it. For this DIY, you just need some string, some fake greenery that looks like mistletoe. And then you will also need some red ribbon. So I just cut off 4 pieces from my greenery. So you wanna make sure you get right down to the stems, but you just wanna bunch them all together like this. And then just kind of make sure it looks good. Like right now you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's like in a point, so that's not gonna work. You want it to look kind of like a ball. All right, so that's a little bit better of what we want. Now I'm gonna take my string, I'm just gonna hold these together, and I'm just gonna wrap this around multiple times and we're gonna tie it. To make this easier, kind of get a knot ready. So I'm just gonna leave it open like that. And then I'm gonna put the ends in there and we're gonna just tie a knot to keep it kind of from moving. We're gonna wrap it around really tight to make it stay, but you just wanna kind of get it going. So get a knot around the first little bunch, okay? Pull it as tight as you can. Now I'm gonna leave this tail off because we'll use that to tie the end of it. But now I'm just gonna literally just start wrapping this around. So I wanna get this tail out. So we're gonna wrap around really, really tight. So you can also go through a couple of the pieces just to make sure it's really staying, but we're just gonna wrap really tight around this whole thing. Once you get it wrapped around really tight, then you're just gonna tie off with that first string that you used. So I'm just gonna tie it right here. I'm gonna tie it in a few knots. I just don't want it to move. So I'm gonna cut this off. And I'm gonna grab another piece of my string. So now you'll wanna take some extra string depending on how high you're hanging this or how low you need it to be. So the ceiling that I'm putting on is pretty, I needed the string to be pretty long. But you're just gonna kind of find the center of it. So let me grab the center of this, it's right here. Okay, and then you're gonna put your mistletoe over top of it, and I'm just gonna tie another knot, and I'm gonna make sure that I go like behind these 2 little berries so that it stays in place. So I'm literally just tying a knot, and I'm gonna go over like that, and we're gonna pull really tight again, and I'm gonna do one more knot, pull really tight. Now I'm gonna just take my ends, and I'm just gonna make a knot through that. There we go. And then I just add some of the ribbon to the top to make a little bow to add a pop of color. This is how my mistletoe turned out. It's just a cute little decoration you can hang in the house, and it only took me about 5 minutes to make and about $3. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave me comments below, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you later.